Today I'm going to show you how to restore your headlights to like new clarity in under 30 minutes. First things first, inspect the lens to see how rough of shape the headlight is. This will give you an idea of which sandpaper to start with. Start by taping off your headlight. This will prevent any accidental sanding of your vehicle's paint and clear coat. Since these headlights are on the more severely oxidized side, I will start with the 320. Wet sand the headlight with medium pressure while occasionally spraying the headlight with regular tap water. This will prevent any buildup between the headlight and sandpaper, ensuring raw contact between the two. Once the visible oxidation and old clear coat is removed, wet sand with a 400 grit. This will remove the deeper scratches you left with the 320 grit. After sanding for 2 to 3 minutes with the 400, move on up to the 600 grit. This is the highest grit sandpaper you will use when doing this method. Once the headlight is dull and milky, remove the tape and thoroughly dry. Clean the headlight with 91% isopropyl alcohol. This will remove any oils, dirt, or moisture from the lens. Once the headlight is completely dull, dry, and milky, mask the headlight off again. For this method, we are sealing the lens with next-gen headlight solutions, Headlight Restoration Clear Coat. Shake the can for 3 to 4 minutes before applying. Start from left to right, and spray the lens about 4 inches away with a 50% overlap. Apply a single, even coat to the headlight. Let the headlight flash off for 3 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, crystal clear headlights for years to come.